Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making a cyanotype poster and I'm gonna try something new. I've tried it on clothing with like flowers and leaves and all that stuff, but I've never tried on paper and like actual print, like printing on transparent paper and then all that. So I'll take you through the process of it and we'll see how it goes. I obviously started out with the design in Photoshop. This is what I came up with, this little cute duck. The journey is the best part. And so I went ahead and printed it onto this transparent paper. I wanted it to feel more like hand drawn, so I basically printed the text on white paper and then traced it onto the transparent paper where the duck was as well, and that way we could get that cool hand-drawn effect. It didn't take too long, like 10 minutes, and when I was done it was looking something like this. Now, as you can see, it's not fully black and we don't want the sun to go through it at all. So we need like a pure black. So I'm going to stack two of these on top of each other. So I just photocopied this onto another transparent paper so that I could layer them up. Anyways, we're going to mix the solution A and solution B. I got the solution on Amazon. I'll link it in the description down below if I find it. And I'm going to coat my paper with the mix of this solution. I'll then put it to dry in a dark space. It can't be into like direct sunlight or UV because it'll activate the chemicals in there and it'll turn blue. You don't want that yet. So the solution looks to be dry. You have to be pretty quick. And then I'll just tape them down. You know, we want all those imperfections, so. I just have to line these up perfectly. It's also a little windy out, so I'll put this like plexiglass on top of it so everything will just stay still. And now I'll put it out in the sun. Hopefully it's gonna be a sunny enough day. I'll leave it in the sun for about like 20 minutes. Should be enough. I'll fill this little tub with some pretty chilled cold water. And then I'll have this hydrogen peroxide 3% solution ready. Add this little thingy to spray. This is going to basically seal the blue color. I think this could be ready. Let's get rid of everything. Let's get our little water bath situation going on, and we'll rinse this. Also, I've never done it on like yellow paper, so. Starting to be blue. All right. Once I rinsed it off, I'll spray it with this, and you'll see that blue color really pop out. Hang it to dry, and we'll see the final result in a bit. I hung it to dry just because it's gonna dry a lot faster, and we'll see the results as soon as it's dried up. All right, should be dry by now. I'll scan it back in. Well, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I think it's a little too dark. I wanted it to be a little light, but maybe this is purely because I used like this yellow cardboard. If I use like a regular poster, like white poster, it would have been much, much lighter, like the typical cyanotype stuff you see online. But I think it's pretty cool. It's got some really nice texture in there. And this sort of like blurry parts, out of focus parts, and then in focus parts, like this text. It's just so cool. It's something you can't replicate directly into Photoshop, like this level of detail and smudging. Yeah, I'm pretty excited with how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this different video, but I was feeling artsy today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to comment down below if you have any requests for tutorial effects or anything like that. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.